Follow these steps to install the 12-inch square LED ceiling light. Caution: turn off main power at the fuse or circuit breaker before installing the lighting fixture or making any electrical connection. Please note that you're responsible for reading all safety precautions provided in the instruction manual. Consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical questions. Install the round mounting plate to the outlet box using the mounting screws. Adjust the orientation of the round mounting plate to your desired angle. Make the following spliced wire connections using the wire nuts provided. Never connect the ground wire to the hot or neutral power supply wires. First, connect the black, hot wire to the hot supply wire. This will most likely be black or colored. Second, connect the white, neutral, to the neutral supply wire. This will most likely be white. Third, connect the green, ground wire to the supply ground wire. This will most likely be bare copper, a green wire, or a green and yellow wire. If your house does not provide a ground wire, wrap the fixture bare ground wire around the green screw on the mounting bracket. Screw the wire nuts in a clockwise direction until tight. Make sure no bare wire or wire strands are visible after making the connections. Check for tightness by pulling the wires. Carefully place all the wires and wire connections into the outlet box. Align the round mounting plate with the fixture and slide it down into the slot to make sure it is secure. To change between warm or cool light, flip your light switch off for 1 second, then back on.